Hey crazies, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be taking the time to show you guys my wash day routine, especially after taking out these braids that I've had underneath my wigs for about a month. So the first thing I'm going to do before taking my braids out and before realizing that you guys can't see from that far away is take the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. And after I heat it up, well, before I even put it in my hair, I heated it up in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And it's a glass bottle, so it's definitely microwave safe. Just make sure you take out the dropper before you put it in there. So yeah, I'm just massaging that into my scalp, giving my hair a little heated scalp hot oil treatment before I go ahead and wash it. So I wanted to come back and talk a little bit to y'all given the current climate of the country right now, just to make sure you guys are taking care of yourselves, just making sure you're taking that time that you need to step back and breathe, especially if you're on the front lines of the movement. It's so important to just take care of your mental health, take care of your physical health, and just make sure as we keep fighting for justice within our community, our society, that we don't have our own selves, inner and outer, deteriorate in the process. So after taking out my braids, which there was only about 6 of them, I did a quick little finger detangle and a length check, of course, just to see, where we're at. And I'm not upset. I'm not mad at it. Not mad at all. And then after that, I also did a 5-minute scalp massage, which you won't really see here because then the video will be take forever. And then after my scalp massage, I went ahead and put on a plastic bag, a shower cap, and a satin cap to, get the treatment going, let it saturate, let it marinate for about 30 to 45 minutes. So after 30 minutes pass, I'm going to go ahead and take all of this off and then hop in the shower and rinse it all out. I cut it out, but I did wash my hair in full one time with the mielleorganics shampoo, and then after that I do a second shampoo where I separate my hair into 4 sections and then wash each section. Here I'm showing you guys the shampoo I'm using. It's the pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling shampoo. I like to really take my time and work the shampoo into each section because, like I said, I had those braids in for about a month, so I want to make sure, she's squeaky clean. So after I'm done detangling each section, I'm going to go ahead and clip it back up and then work on the other 2 sections. I already did the other one before that. and then I rinse them all together section by section and apply the pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling conditioner after all of that. So here, as you can see, I need to stop playing so much because I definitely got shampoo in my eyes. So after washing, rinsing, and detangling each section, I'm going to take the pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling conditioner and work that into each of the 4 sections as well. I'm going to rinse out and detangle as I'm rinsing out the conditioner. And honestly, I don't even know what type of hair I have anymore. I know it's type 4, but I'm not sure because it's either someday it's tight coils, some days it's freaking looser curls. So I'm not sure, but if y'all know, let me know because I would love to know. So now that we're pretty rinsed out and pretty much squeaky clean, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how much freaking shedding I got, which is actually crazy for me. It's usually about half this, but I figured it's because I've been a little bit stressed lately. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the rosemary mint strengthening mask and put that on into my hair so that I can, try to stop all of that breakage. So y'all should know me by now. I like to work in my 4 sections, and I just wanted to, get a little bit vulnerable and let you guys know that I have struggled with my hair for a pretty long time. I first went natural when I was in high school, and that was just a crazy experience going to a predominantly Hispanic high school. It was really a struggle with being one of the only black girls in my classes, especially like being natural. And then after that, when I got to college, I chopped it all off and attempted to start over with a better and newer mindset. And then later on, I just kept covering it, kept wearing wigs because I didn't really, know how to deal with my hair texture. I expected, looser curls and stuff like that, which has a little bit to do with internalized racism. So I have definitely gotten past that, and I'm embracing my curls, my coils, and I'm definitely really happy with where I'm at now, both um, with my confidence and with just how I feel about my hair, because I wouldn't change it for the world. And I just love being black. I just love the skin I'm in. I'm loving like my hair texture and stuff. So I'm excited to show you guys like all the new styles and stuff that I end up doing with it. So after putting in the strengthening mask, I left it on for about an hour and did the garbage bag, shower cap, and satin cap combo. And then I went ahead and rinsed it out in my sink because I didn't feel like getting in the shower again. And after that, I'm just going to prep my hair for blow drying. And to blow dry, I'm going to use the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Hair Butter, also from Mielle. And then I'm going to go ahead and work in my 4 sections and moisturize and blow dry everything. But also, did y'all peep the new backdrop? I know it's like a step up from what I had last time. I told y'all we was gonna get that fixed. You know, I still need a little bit more work, but we're gonna take this one step at a time. So thank you for sticking with me all the way through. And I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry this hair. Usually after washing my hair, I'll go right into a twist out and apply like all my creams and butters. But this time I wanted to try a flexi rod set, so I figured I'd try it first on blown out hair or stretch hair, which is easiest when it's blown out. And yeah, I'll show you guys the results of that in another video, but we're pretty much coming to the end here. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what else you want to see, what other videos you want to see, what content you want to see. And I think that's all I have to say for this video. Thank you for watching. Love you guys so much. Bye.
Look, hey, pardon my vision, my physics is something unrealistic. I'm just reaching for the antonym of a statistic. Cause I've had homies who were balling, going so ballistic. And now they falling from the sky and thinking that they finished. We steady fighting for our freedom like a dread sky. And taking